So for many years, I've been telling people when World War III starts, you only have the equipment on hand with which to fight the war because manufacturing will not be viable during most of World War III. So today we're looking at the situation, all the anti-tank and anti-aircraft weapons that are being expended into Ukraine, all these have chips in them, lots of chips. So the question is, with the chip shortages and everything that's going on with supply chain issues, are the US and NATO and Canada going to be able to manufacture replacement materials, one, to prosecute the war in Ukraine, and two, to replace materials that their own armies need? Because with all the demilitarization and disarming NATO did in the US over the last 30 years, they're going to need to manufacture lots and lots of smart weapons. So what is the implication of that on the market? Will we have materials to build the weapons? And will that bring civilian manufacturing to a halt? Please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.